few weeks ago I went to the Cooktown Festival, which is all about James Cook. James Cook came here, I believe 1700 something, a while ago, and his boat or his ship had a leak, and that's why he had to stay here for a while. I think 7 weeks all in all. And because he got stranded on the spot that was holy for the Aborigines, they couldn't kill him or harm him and his crew in any way. At the Cooktown Festival, they show you the story, they reenact it. The Cooktown Festival is a festival for the whole family. There's games, there's competitions, there's loads and loads of food and music. It's a real nice way to show the history of Cooktown.